Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is August the 5th, 2021. Definitely want to do a huge shout out to all of our trap watchers. Want to welcome y'all to the community. To those who are new, if you guys want to join us, you can hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. You guys can tell from my chart that we do price predictions in the stock market. Yes, I said it, we do price predictions in the stock market so that everyone can get an understanding as to where the market is going to go, and if anything, you can learn something from the information that we are producing. So if you guys appreciate the content, like I said earlier, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe to our channel to become a trap watcher yourself so that you can become more proficient in understanding how price action really occurs. Okay, so now let's see. Bionano Genomics, BNGO. We did a price prediction, and you guys can see it. It's on my chart. June 21st was the last time we did a price prediction in the market for BNGO. And we told everyone on that particular video, don't worry about it. If you want to see it, you can. We're not hiding anything from our community. It is in our BNGO playlist. It's still there. Okay. And you can see it. We played a weakness on that particular video. And that is precisely where the market has gone in BNGO. Okay. So now, 15.73% profitability could have been garnered into the market in BNGO right there on July the 7th. Okay. Now, if you wanted to get out yesterday, 23. So from June 18th, June 19th to pretty much yesterday, today, 23% the market has fallen in the BNGO. Now, that's over. No need for us to harp on anything into the past. When you're looking into the markets, you need to be a predictor of the future. You need to try to anticipate where the market in BNGO is going to go. So look at it. We are no longer in an upward trend. So that ascending line that you see on my chart is not applicable in that position. So we need to move it. We need to change it. Okay, so let's do that first. So I'm going to ask you the question, where do you see support then? Okay, where do you think the market in BNGO is going to prop up the price? Do you see it here? To where the market on March the 5th came and touched as support. And we've been hovering above that number right there the last couple of weeks or so. Do you think $5.50 is support? Or do you think support is all the way down here? What do you think? It's either or. $5.50 or even $4.25 is the biggest area that we can still see the market in BNGO drop, and we still hold support though. Which one? Let's take a look at the market in BNGO on a different time frame to see if we get a little bit more information. Okay, so this is the 2-day time frame, and as of right now, the market here in BNGO is giving us some weakness. You guys can see earnings came out yesterday as well. Didn't really have surprised the market, right? They expected the estimate to be down 4 cents. As reported, there was negative 4 cents in their earnings per share as well there too. So they're losing money. Okay, now with that being stated, what do you think? The price, will it go lower? Will it go higher? The 2-day time frame is still giving us some weakness here. 3-day time frame, you tell me, what are you seeing? Weakness or strength? Because so far BNGO is giving us some weakness. Okay, now with that being stated, with that being said, it's not extremely weak. I'm actually still seeing that the market agrees with $5.50. It agrees with that. So which is pretty good. We can continue to ride with that into the market in BNGO, right? This is the weekly time frame. We're still seeing some hints that the market in BNGO is weak. See, generally the environment in BNGO is weak. That is the word that we're seeing on this chart. is weakness is running about in this market in the BNGO. There's no hints as of strength coming to the market right now in BNGO. It is what it is, right? I know a lot of people might be pushing that BNGO is a buy, but clearly we've in a downtrend into the market in BNGO. So why would people try to get you to say that the market is about to explode in BNGO when all you had to do is just visually look at the chart and understand that it's weak? It's ridiculous. So the question is, okay, we established that the market in BNGO or Biogenomics is weak. Okay, cool. If it's weak, then how low do you think the market price is going to go? That is the next question. I've already told you. The closest area that we can see this market in BNGO drop before we see support is $5.50. Okay, $5.50. Now, I'm actually seeing three areas. Okay, closest support area $5.50. Second area is $5. Third area is down here at $4.25. Those are the three areas that I'm eyeing, that I'm paying attention to see us maintain some strength to stop the market from falling. So this is the monthly time frame. Look at how we concluded the month of July. The market here in BNGO still weak. Now, I don't want to be overly bearish. I don't want you all to think that I'm expecting the price in BNGO to collapse, because I'm not. What do you think about this? You see that? From a monthly perspective, even we're seeing the market in BNGO fall below the overall trend. Okay? Like, the answers are already on the chart. So anyone who tries to give you more technical indicators, who tries to give you some article that they've read that you can read for yourself on Reuters or CNBC or Fox Business, any one of those locations, you could get that information for yourself. But the truth lies on the price. And for the market in BNGO to start off the month of August, right, below that ascending line insinuates that there is still weakness carrying over on a monthly perspective. Now, again, 26 days and 10 hours. So let's not be too dependent on what we have so far, but it is a glaring indication that we are starting off the month of August in weakness. Okay. Now, at the conclusion of August, if we close right back above this ascending line from a monthly perspective, we're golden. We already know what the price in BNGO, if anything, is going to come back up to $7, $8, maybe even $9 to round out the end of this year. Just saying. Okay. So now let's do this. Let me take this back over to the daily and let everyone get on their way. So far, the market here generally is weak. Okay. Now, if the market weakness on support around $5.50, if it's not worth putting in a prediction, then why would we do it? Right? If we don't see anything substantial that's worth profitable, that's worth deploying more resources into a play, we won't play it. Right? Even though we might be expecting the market to be weak. And right now, I really don't see too much into the market in biogenomics, right? I mean, if you want to make what, 6.3%, you can. Back down here towards $5, which is around 12.75% profitability. I mean, it's not bad. So you know what? We're going to continue to go ahead and ride with that one, okay? But remember, $5.50, we would have to come through and skim off some profitability right there into the market. We got to be prepared for that price to jump from $5.50 to start to move higher, okay? So that's it. We're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in biogenomics, I can actually see around $7 as restriction. And you guys could go back and look at the monthly time frame. You know, that is where the price would come back up above that ascending line on a monthly perspective. That occurs, we need to get rid of this prediction and go long into the market in biogenomics, Bionano Genomics, right? So that's it. Let's go ahead and run the play. This is what we're expecting the price to do into the market in Bionano Genomics. And that's it. Now, I want to know, I mean, what do you all see on the chart for BNGO? Do you all see the price here being weak? Do you think we're going to hold support above $5.50 and lift up from there and go higher? You know, drop me your perspective, right? We're a team. We collaborate. We want to see where the price is going to go. So I want to see what you all think. Drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me, where do you see the market headed for Bionano Genomics? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, see you on the next one.